Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your Roblox account is active and you can log in. Next, choose a VPN optimized for gaming that uses AES 256 encryption and has low latency. This protects chat while keeping ping low. Install the VPN app on the device you play Roblox on, then sign in and grant any permissions. Once done, test a nearby server location to reduce lag. Make sure to keep your Roblox client closed during initial VPN connection to avoid mixed network bindings. With the app installed, you now configure settings for best chat performance. Select a server geographically close or explicitly labeled game optimized to minimize ping. Enable the kill switch to prevent accidental exposure, and use split tunneling to route Roblox traffic through the VPN while leaving other apps on your normal connection if needed. Then, run a quick IP and DNS leak test to confirm traffic is protected. Once verified, launch Roblox and open chat. Your messages should travel through the VPN securely. Finish by confirming smooth chat. Monitor for lag and message delivery. If you see delays, switch to a different nearby server or change the VPN protocol, UDP for speed, TCP for reliability. If Roblox blocks connections, toggle protocols, enable obfuscation features, or reach out to VPN support. Make sure both the VPN app and Roblox are updated and clear the Roblox cache if problems persist. One key troubleshooting tip. If chat stops working, temporarily disable the VPN to confirm the issue, then re-enable with a new server choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.